guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I do have a Walmart slash Ibotta haul for you guys. I know I haven't done a Walmart haul in a while, but I have one today. If you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I was able to get all of this for just $12.24, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you all can see, I have some of these Listerine floss picks right here. 2 of the Vans gluten-free waffles. I have some Gatorade. I have this Bolt 24. I have 2 of these Del Monte diced peaches, some Quaker Oats, Campbell's slow kettle broccoli cheddar soup, some chicken broth, some Well Yes soup, Renuzit, Purex, Honey Made, chocolate chip cookies back there, and this Gatorade super shake. So let's just go ahead and get started with the Listerine here. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these Listerine Ultra Clean Access Flossers. These are priced at Walmart for $1.97. Ibotta has a rebate for $2 back. So you will pay $1.97 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2, and that will make these completely free plus a 3-cent moneymaker. The limit is 3, so that's why I went ahead and grabbed 3. So all 3 of these were completely free. And then right here with the Del Monte peaches, you guys, so these are priced at my store for $2.18. I went ahead and purchased 2. So $2.18 times 2 is $4.36. I had planned to use a $1 coupon on these, you guys, because if you go to the Del Monte website, you can print off a $1 off of 2 of these coupons. And when I got to the register, you guys, I completely forgot to use my coupon. And I'm pretty sure it was because I was on the phone with my husband and I just wasn't thinking at the time. So if you go to the website, you can print off the $1 coupon. It'll make this $1 cheaper for you. Ibotta has a 75-cent rebate when you buy 2. So $4.36 minus the 75 cents that I received from Ibotta, that brought my total down to $3.61 for both packs, or it makes each one just $1.80. And then with the next thing, I have this Gatorade Super Shake right here. And so this is priced at Walmart for $7.98. There is a rebate for $3 back. So $7.98 minus the $3 rebate, it brings the total down to $4.98. And then also, you guys, there is another rebate to where when you purchase one of these Gatorade Super Shake packs, and then if you purchase Gatorade, you will get $4.99 back. So since I was already getting this right here priced at $7.98, and then I got the $3 rebate back for this. Since I purchased this, I was able to go ahead and get some Gatorade. So technically the Gatorade ended up being free because they are priced at $4.98. And then I got back $4.99 on Ibotta for purchasing both of these, plus the $3 rebate that I got back from this. So technically the only thing that I paid for was the Gatorade Super Shake, which was $4.98. It was $7.98, but remember, Ibotta had the $3 rebate. And with using that $3 rebate, it brought it down to $4.98. And so the only thing I needed to grab was the Gatorade at $4.98. And then I got back $4.99 from that combo rebate. So technically the Gatorade was free. I think these are really 2 nice items to get, especially if you like Gatorade. I actually did this deal twice. I did it on my account, and then I turned around and did it on my husband's account. And then with the Purex over here, the Purex is priced at my store for $2.88. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1 back. So you will pay $2.88 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1, and it'll make it just $1.88. And this is the 15.5 ounce, and this is the scent right here. And then the next thing I have is this 3-pack of Renuzit air fresheners here. Those are priced at my store for $2.62. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1 back. So you will pay $2.62 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1, and it'll make that 3-pack just $1.62. And then I also went ahead and grabbed 2 individual Renuzits, and those are priced at Walmart for 87 cents. I purchased 2. So 87 times 2 is $1.74. Ibotta does have a rebate for 97 cents back. So you will pay $1.74 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 97 cents, and that'll make both of those just 77 cents, or it'll make each one 38 cents. And then with the famous chocolate chip cookies, those are priced at Walmart for $2.72. Ibotta does have a rebate for 50 cents back. So you will pay $2.72 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents, and that will bring your total down to just $2.22. And that was pretty much a splurge buy for me. I really do like these cookies, and so that's why I went ahead and added that into this transaction. And then with the slow kettle right here, this is the broccoli and cheddar flavor. So this is priced at Walmart for $1.98. Ibotta has a rebate for $2.49 back. So you will pay $1.98 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.49, and that will make this completely free, plus a 51-cent moneymaker. And then for the waffles here, for the Vans gluten-free waffles, I went ahead and purchased 2 boxes of those, and they are priced at my store for $2.42. I purchased 2, so $2.42 times 2 is $4.84. Ibotta does have a rebate for $2.72 back. So you will pay $4.84 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.72, and that will bring your total down to just $2.12 for both boxes, or it'll make each one just $1.06 each. And then for the chicken broth right here, I went ahead and purchased 2 of those, and they are priced at my store for 57 cents. So 57 cents times 2 is $1.14. Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back when you buy 2. So I paid $1.14 out of pocket, submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $1, and that brought the total down to just 14 cents for both cans, or it makes each one just 7 cents. And then with the Well Yes soup, this is the chicken noodle flavor. This is priced at my store for $1.98. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.98, so that made this Well Yes soup completely free. And then with the Quaker Oats, the Quaker Instant Oatmeal, this is the blueberry strawberry flavor. So those are priced at my store for 98 cents. Ibotta does have a rebate for 25 cents back. So you will pay 98 cents out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents, and it'll bring the total down to just 73 cents. And then with the Honey Maid back here, these are priced at my store for $2.98. Ibotta does have a rebate for those for $1 back. So you will pay $2.98 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1, and that will bring the total down to just $1.98. And then for the Bolt 24 here, that is priced at my store for $1.28. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.28. So you pay $1.28 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.28, and that makes this Bolt 24 completely free. And then also on this transaction, you guys, when I submitted my receipt, I got back 20 cents extra on top of the rebates money that I got back, and that was for 2 any brand items. And then also on this transaction, I was working towards a bonus. I needed to grab 15 more items. So the bonus was for $5 when you redeem 18 offers. I had already previously redeemed 3 offers, and so I needed 15 more to redeem, and I did go ahead and redeem all 15 in this transaction. So I was able to get back that $5. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So everything that you see here, everything rung up like it was supposed to. Like I said, if I would have remembered to use my Del Monte coupon, my transaction would have been $1 cheaper, but that's okay. And so as you guys can see, my subtotal came out to be $48.37, not including taxes. So for all of this, without getting any rebates back, you will pay $48.37. From rebates, I got back a total of $29.13. So $48.37 minus the $29.13 that I got back in rebates, that brought my total down to just $19.24. I then reached a $1 bonus for the Super Shake and for the Gatorade. So $19.24 minus that $1 bonus that I received, that brought my total down to $18.24. And then I got back a $5 bonus because I redeemed all 18 offers. Well, 15 because I only needed to redeem 15 more. So I did go ahead and redeem all 15 offers. So I got back $5 from that. So $18.24 minus the $5 that I got back in bonus, that brought my total down to $13.24. On top of that, I reached a 50-cent Listerine bonus. So $13.24 minus the 50-cent Listerine bonus that I got, that brought my total down to $12.74. And then the last but not least, I reached another 50-cent bonus to where I redeemed 20 offers of the January 1st level or something like that. I got 50 cents back from that. So with that 50 cents, it brought my total down to just $12.24 for everything that you see right here. I have a total of 21 items. So $12.24 divided by 21, that makes each item just 58 cents, which is amazing, you guys. Super amazing. Because if I wasn't using Ibotta, then I would have paid $48.37 for this entire transaction. But because I use this CashBack app, I only paid $12.24. That is amazing, you guys. That is the power of using cashback apps. So that is it for my video, you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipt and I got some points back, I want to say, for the Gatorade Super Shake. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in my description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. Also, if you are not using Ibotta, I will also have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through Ibotta. So that's an extremely nice and easy way to get $20, you guys. And then also I want to say thank you to those of you who have already been using my Ibotta code. I really do appreciate you. So thank you all so much for that. Again, that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. You already know what to do. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. And don't forget, if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed to me, please go ahead and consider hitting that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you guys will know whenever I upload a video. Thank you all so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.